What's iOS Masque Attack and how to avoid it? Part 1. 1. The Masque Attack works by tricking a user into installing a malicious app that has the same bundle identifier as a legitimate app. Once the malicious app is installed, it can access the same data and resources as the legitimate app. The attack works by taking advantage of a security weakness in iOS that allows an app with the same bundle identifier as a legitimate app to replace the legitimate app on an affected device, while keeping all of the user's data. This vulnerability exists because iOS does not enforce matching certificates for apps with the same bundle identifier. To exploit the vulnerability, an attacker would first need to create a malicious app that has the same bundle identifier as a legitimate app. The attacker could then distribute the malicious app through a phishing email or website. If the user clicks on the link and installs the app, the malicious app will be installed on the device and will replace the legitimate app. Once the malicious app is installed, it can access the same data and resources as the legitimate app. This includes the user's contacts, photos, and messages. The malicious app can also steal the user's passwords and credit card information. The Masque Attack was first discovered in 2014 and affects iOS devices running iOS 7.1.1, 7.1.2, 8.0, 8.1, and 8.1.1 beta. Apple has since released security updates that fix the vulnerability, but it is still important to be aware of the attack so that you can protect yourself. See details below. Part 2. How to protect your iPhone from Masque Attack. To avoid the Masque Attack, you should only install apps from trusted sources, such as the App Store. You should also be careful about what links you click on, especially in emails and text messages. If you are unsure about an app, you can check its reviews in the App Store before installing it. If you think you may have been affected by the Masque Attack, you should immediately uninstall any apps that you do not recognize or that you did not install from the App Store. You should also change your passwords for any accounts that you may have used on the affected apps. Here are some additional tips to help you protect yourself from malware. Keep your software up to date, including your operating system, web browser, and security software. Use a strong password for your device and change it regularly. Be aware of the signs of malware infection, such as unusual pop-ups, slow performance, and battery drain. If you think your device may be infected with malware, you can scan it with a security app or take it to a trusted technician for help.